I'd say that this is a pretty cool key holder over here that I have in the entrance of my house. I'm gonna show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds, but you have everything you need. So you have a place for your envelopes, for your bills and things like that, so you can put it in there. And actually, it's quite big, I have to say, so you can put many in there. You have kind of like a shelf over here just to put your sunglasses, for example, or some other decorations. This, I want to show you that this is what you're gonna use to actually install. You're gonna put it against the wall, you're gonna mark the two holes, and you can put some nails or you can put some screws. That actually, the screws comes with the package. And then something super cool is that you have like 5 of the hooks over here for some smaller things, and then you have some hooks over here as well, 4 of them, and you have 3 bigger hooks over there, so a total of 12 hooks. And of course the home sign over here for more cozy vibes, I had to say. Closer look now, so you can see it better now. You can see that these are the bigger hooks, a nice shelf over there for decorations or your just like sunglasses or something like that. The smaller ones, but something that I think that is really cool. Take a look at this. You can actually leave kind of like a daily message to your significant other or to your mom, to your dad, or just something like that. And then you can just like wipe it a little bit with your fingers or with a cleaning mud, and that's it. And then it comes with this just to put something like home and a cozy heart. I like it. I think this is pretty cool. Of course, you can put whatever you want, but I think it's a nice one. And of course, holds so many keys that it could be the one for your house.